I haven't seen this episode in forever, and I forgot how freaking funny it is.
Tell me about it.
Very well. Robin, Cyborg, and Beast Boy have been trapped inside tiny wooden bodies while a nasty creature called the Puppet King has taken control.
How is she
of their
not
bodies,
noticing?
which he's using to hunt us down and
Starfire, calm down.
bodies and-
Starfire, you have to calm down.
Please, before you
My
hurt
powers are
somebody.
driven by emotion. The more you feel, the more energy you unleash.
But what if they find us? What if our friends are doomed? What if I am stuck looking like this forever?
Wow, that's rude.
Fix it. I don't know how, but we will rescue the boys and we will get our bodies back. What's wrong with the way I look?
Oh, you heard that? Oh my gosh.
I will try to calm down. Peace, quiet, tranquil.
We are so
What I find most interesting is that Starfire's abilities and how she uses them are literally in complete opposite of how Raven uses hers.
unbridled joy. Not really my thing.
Oh,
What do I have to feel to use starbolts?
Righteous fury,
Your alien strength?
boundless confidence.
Raven is like, are you freaking kidding me right now?
If I can't fly, you have to levitate. You know those
Yeah.
words I always...
Yes!
Wait, you have to focus.
Azarath Metreon Zinthos!
Dang, they jet.
I wish to stop. Please tell me.
Oh,
when
baby,
to
that's not what
stop.
you want.
Look at the ground and imagine...
Wait!
Told you. At this point, I really thought they were gonna get caught.
Enough. Come, my
The Puppet King is so freaking creepy. Like, ugh.
Quickly, Raven. Our friends are in danger. We must follow and...
And what? Save them with my unusable powers while your unbridled emotions blow us to bits? Nice flying, by the way.
At least I am able to fly. On
Oh,
my
boy.
planet, even a newborn can unleash the joy of flight. But you are too busy being grumpy and rude to feel anything at all.
Ooh.
Maybe you haven't noticed, but my emotions are dangerous. I can't afford to feel anything.
Right. And if you and I are to overcome this ordeal,
I'm mad we actually
must
don't
know
get to hear
everything
what
about
they
each
tell
other.
each other,
so
which is some bull.
begin sharing.
Because I want to know.
Alright. I was born in a place called Azarath.
Close your eyes and think of something joyful.
Poor Raven.
You might choose flowers or kittens or the laughter of children or... What was your joyful thought?
You don't want to know.
Oh, but I do. Please tell me. What did you imagine?
You not talking.
Damn! Wow!
I am glad I was able
At least she was honest.
Your turn. Find your center. Focus your energy on the lock.
Azarath, Metreon, Zinthos.
Okay, Starfire. I see that concentration. Ooh, nice save.
My friends, you are unharmed.
Fire? It's a long story.
Okay, time to move. Come on, ladies. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay, Raven. I see you. Ooh, nice punch. Perhaps Starfire could learn a thing or two from Raven. I mean,
Azarath, Metreon, Zinthos.
okay. Not too shabby. Boom. Ooh, uh-oh. Get him up off you, Ray.
Puppet King is in command.
Oh, yes. This is the only time we ever see the Puppet King, like, attack the Titans. He never comes back until around the last season, which kind of sucks, because he was kind of cool. Kind of.
I am me! And you are you!
And we're us. Thanks to you two.
You go, girls.
All right, a happy ending. Gotta love it.